Assalamu alaikum. So Khurram Kashan is here. Today I will discuss some idioms and phrases. So let me start. Death keeps no calendar. The first idiom is death keeps no calendar. मौत का कोई एतबार नहीं. Second one is a bad name is worse than a bad deed. बद अच्छा बदनाम बुरा. टिट फॉर टैट जैसे को तैसा. गेट रिड ऑफ द रूट ऑफ द ट्रबल. न रहेगा बांस न बजेगी बांसुरी. एंड द लास्ट वन इज मोर माउथ्स विल हैव मोर टॉक्स. जितने मुंह उतनी बात. These idioms are very important idioms and used nowadays frequently in our daily life as well as examination point of view. So you may learn these idioms. So let me start more idioms. More mouths will have more talks. जितने मुंह उतनी बातें. To talk big without having a big position. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात. The third one is as you saw so shall you reap. जैसे करनी वैसे भरनी. And the fourth one is in Rome do as the Romans do. जैसा देश वैसा भेष.
The next one is where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह.
जहाँ चाह
And the last one
वहाँ
is
राह.
big difference in the status.
And the last
of
one is
class. कहाँ राजा बोझ, कहाँ गंगू तेली. And the next one more idioms like tit for tat. अदले का बदला. टू एयर इन ह्यूमन इंसान ख़ता का पुतला है. द थर्ड वन इज़ अ विश कमिंग ट्रू. अंधा क्या चाहे दो आँखें. नाइदर फिश फॉर फाउल. आधा तीता आधा बटेर. दैट्स वेरी फनी. एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ यूनियन इज़ स्ट्रेंथ. इत्तफाक में बरकत है. More idioms including examples sentence like to cut corners. कोई काम ख़राब तरीके से करना. It's mean he cuts corners when building the bathroom. The next one a blessing is disguise. भेस में एक नेमत या भेस में देश भी बोल सकते हैं. The epidemic of coronavirus was a blessing is disguised for a person's walking from home. And the third one is let the cat out of the bag. कुछ जाहिर होने देना. For example, Mahmood let the cat out of the bag about their future plans. So these three idioms are now very important using day by day in the daily life. So shall we proceed? The next one is a blessing in disguise. बदी में भला. A dime a dozen. हर जगह मिलता है. Action speaks louder than words. अमल बोलता है. It's mean you are doing as you maximize your work. So all ears, कान खोल कर सुनना. All in the same boat. एक ही कतार में हैं. And the last one is apple of my eye. मेरी प्यारी. So you can say मेरी प्यारी और मेरा प्यारा. For example, my daughter is the apple of my eye. So there is some examples of sentences as well as given in the next column. So the last page is, if you can't bite then never show your teeth. अगर तुम कुछ कर नहीं सकते तो बड़ी बातें भी ना करो. A mountain in labor and a mouse be result. खोदा पहाड़ निकला चूहा, ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. फाइन वर्ड्स, बटर नो parsnips. खाली हाथों में काम नहीं होता. To shallow a camel and to stain at a goat. मस्जिद में बैठा लेकिन नमाज से परहेज़. The butcher looked for his knife when he had in it his. बगल में बच्चा, शहर में ढंढोरा. And the last one, an uninvited guest is seldom welcome. मान ना मान, मैं तेरा मेहमान. And the last page of this idiom, to poison one's ear, to cut a deaf ear to be a bookworm, to get into the hot water, to be at one's end, to beat about the bush. The stain every nerve, to pocket an insult. That's very interesting. खून का घूंट पीना. To build a castle in the air. This idiom is used most of the time when the people making castle in the air, build castle in the air, to build castle in the air. So that's are the some of the very popular idioms we are using in our daily life, or most of the time we are using this idioms in examination. So shall we proceed in the last page, that greed is curse, lalach buri bala hai. Society mold a man, diamond curse diamond, pride hate a fall. These 4 sentences or idioms are used sometime when you are teasing another person. So you can use these idioms, that greed is a curse, society molds a man, and diamond curse diamond, pride hath a fall. So these are the most important idioms we are using day by day, and I help you to pronounce these words, and you can observe these words as you learning more and more sentences. So today's topic is now going to end. Thank you.